If one was reading the pink presses and listening to TV news, especially the ones which discuss business 24 by 7, rising auto sales, in spite of the pandemic, have been showing great recovery. So auto stocks have been going up in tearing hurry for some time, and the supporters of the ruling party have been touting this as an example that the economy has recovered and India has shaken off the pandemic. What is the truth? Let us examine the points. Welcome back to Berich. Maruti has almost reached pre-pandemic sales and is showing year-on-year increase in sales. So is Hyundai and Tata Motors. The following points need to be considered. The sales that are being shown are sales that are being made to dealers and not from dealers to end users. Dealers are draining down stock because of BS4 to BS6 transition when the pandemic hit. And during the pandemic, dealers had minimum stock and were doing back-to-back businesses. Today, in light of the festival, FADA says its dealers have been loaded up with 45 days to 60 days stock, and there have not been great inquiries. A visit to the registrar office and tracking those cars registered numbers show no great increase in demand over this year to last year. In fact, there is a drop in demand for passenger vehicles used as taxis. That is basically Uber and Ola. Only after Diwali is over will we know, when FADA releases its figures, how many cars have been actually registered by the end users. A similar story played out in two-wheelers, where everybody jumped for joy and said two-wheeler sales are going through the roof as soon as pandemic is over. Except Mr. Bajaj, everybody said, "Achhe din wapas aa gaye hain," and there is a lot of sale of two-wheelers. Well, the news in September was bad. Say, when the September quarter results were given, Bajaj showed a double-digit decline in growth in sales, both in India and abroad, as 60% of Bajaj's sales are abroad. Hero Motors, India's largest two-wheeler manufacturer, has also been showing declining sales. TVS's Moped has shown increased sales. The other two-wheelers are not showing sales. To a point, by the time October came, even shipment to dealers had reduced and lot of dealers have shuttered shop permanently. This clearly shows a divergent trend to dealer sales, one in two-wheelers and one in four-wheelers. It is pertinent to note that Harley Davidson has vacated India completely. Recently in Twitter, I was tagged by a person saying that 500 Benz cars are being sold between Dussehra and Deepavali. Well, Dussehra was yesterday and Deepavali is 15 days away. What Benz has done is it's booked 500 cars to be sold, which will be delivered on Vijayadashami or on Deepavali. For a country of our size, 500 luxury cars is nothing, and this does not signify any meaningful recovery in the economy. Well, why are 500 cars being sold? 500 cars are being sold because we are having a K-shaped recovery where large companies with little debt are showing enormous jumps and in valuation and are doing very well. Plus, venture capital money is chasing education and other fintech stocks. These promoters, after working for their ass off for many years, want to enjoy a bit. Also, the Honorable Finance Minister in last year corporate taxes to at 23%. So, and there is no great investment opportunity in India. Most of the promoters are buying these cars in their company name and writing it off against their income to reduce their tax burden. There are enough companies in India which can buy 500 cars and write it off from their books. These 500 cars are by primarily businessmen who are taking advantage of lower taxes and does not indicate a larger recovery in the Indian economy. Thank you for watching Berich. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification. If you use Kindle, you can buy the book using the Kindle link given below. If you want a hard copy, send a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would get in touch with you. At the very end, if you want to get in touch with me, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. I am grateful for your support of Berich.